Hey beauties, hi, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're an existing subscriber, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and hit the bell. It notifies you of whenever I make a post. So this video is to show you how to put your natural hair in a bun using a donut. You can achieve this style at home or by yourself. It's something very simple. I hope you enjoy every bit of it. Leave a friendly comment. To achieve this style, you need your edge control, your hairspray, your brush, your comb, your brush again, yeah, and then your bobby pin in different sizes, big or small, and then your rubber bands. I didn't get to use this. I used the big ones for instructional purpose, and then your hair bun. So in this video, my bride, I'm just putting up her hair to smoothing, comb it properly so that I could pack it very well. I'm using a rubber band. I usually would not use rubber band. I couldn't find my hair ruffle, so this is just for instructional purpose. I think rubber band just snaps your hair off, and I don't know, for some reason I really don't use rubber bands on my natural hair. I couldn't find my hair ruffle, like I said. So it looks like I'm pulling her hair. Yeah, I just speed up the video, that's why it looks like that. So I'm applying the Echo Styler gel edge control. It has this shine and lovely effect around the edges, just to smoothen the edges so it could look really presentable. You don't have to use edge control on your hair if you do not want to, but I just like the way it leaves it shining and really cute, so that's why I applied it. And then make sure you smoothen your edge control and make it sink into your scalp. I think I missed that part a bit. After the video you get to see what I'm talking about. And then you put around all your edges, even to the back line of your edge at the back also needs the gel so that it could also shine, because your hair is in an up bun form, so the back will also be revealed. You need to keep it also very clean. So I like to use this brush to smoothen the back of the hair and take all the hair upwards, the hair by the side, all the tiny baby hair, just take everything upwards, brush the front. You could decide to do your styling thinking in the front, but yeah, I didn't do that. And then so I'm putting my bun just in between the hair, like you can see. So I'll be laying the hair over the bun. So this is a small size donut, bun or donuts as the case may be. Comb your hair thoroughly so that it could stretch it a bit, because I didn't straighten this hair before I did this style. So you need to just comb your hair a bit so that it could flay underneath or all over the donuts. Then you won't have too many spillovers. If your hair is not up to this length, do not stress yourself, just add extensions and you can achieve this style as you like. So what I'm doing here is to comb the hair so that I could tuck it in. I need to stretch it out properly. So yeah, that's what you can see, using my tail comb to do that. And then the next thing is to form the middle, as you can see, and then tuck the hair just under the bun. Roll and tuck. The hair is not like all over the place, so it's just accurate. Just roll and tuck under the bun. So that's your style. It's quite simple and easy to do all by yourself. And then to secure the bun in one place, you might move around, use a rubber band to do that. If you don't have, you could use a bobby pin also. So I like to spray this hair Oilsheen all over my hair to make it look shiny and pretty. You can see the hair, the Oilsheen has lots of smoky, dusty, whatever. Be careful not to put so much so it doesn't irritate your mousse or your customer or your bride, as the case may be. So be very careful. But this leaves it really shiny. And don't put so much, it could drip all over if it's too much. Just put just enough as you need and use your hand. I like to use my hand to sink, to push it in push the product into the hair so that it doesn't stand on top of the hair by itself. So yeah, we're done with the styling, and this is the result of the donut updo that we achieved. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please try it. If you do, leave a comment and tag me on my Instagram. Overilaye Hair will be glad to hook up with you.